Tired of searching for a crop tool in Gamma AI? Yeah, I get it. You click around, you look through the menus, and it feels like that feature just doesn't exist. But it does. And I am going to show you the hidden right-click trick that lets you crop any image in seconds, right inside the app. No more hopping over to an external editor or settling for a photo that just doesn't fit. Let's fix that right now. So here's the plan. First, you are going to right-click the image, select Crop from the menu that pops up, adjust the frame, and then apply it. It is that simple. Let me walk you through it. All right, let's start. First thing you need to do is locate the image you want to crop inside your Gamma AI document. Just find it on the page, wherever it is. Now, here's the important part, and this is the trick most people miss. You are not going to look for a toolbar button or a menu at the top of the screen. You need to right-click directly on the image itself. Just use your mouse or trackpad and give that image a right-click. A context menu will appear right there on your screen. This is where all the good, hidden options live. From that context menu you just opened, you are going to look for the option that says Crop and click on it. It should be one of the first items in the list. As soon as you click it, you will see the image change. A set of white handles, or little squares, will pop up around the edges of your picture, and a dark overlay will cover the rest of the image outside those handles. That is your signal that the crop mode is now active. Gamma AI is ready for you to tell it exactly what part of the picture you want to keep. Now we get to the fun part. Go ahead and click on any of those white handles on the edges or the corners. Hold down your mouse button and drag. You are essentially drawing a box around the part of the image you want to save. You can drag from the top, the bottom, the sides, or any corner. The dark overlay will show you what is going to be cut away, and the bright area inside your frame is what will remain. Take your time with this. If you want a perfectly square crop, try holding down the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag from a corner. That is a little pro tip that will keep your proportions locked. Just keep adjusting until you have exactly the framing you want. Once you are happy with how it looks, you need to lock it in. You can do this one of two ways. The easiest way is to simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. That applies the crop instantly. Or you can just click anywhere on the page outside of the image area. Either way, Gamma AI will finish the job, and the dark overlay will disappear, leaving you with your newly cropped image. But wait, we are not done yet, because you might need to make a few final adjustments. If the image is now too small or in the wrong spot, just click on the cropped image to select it again. You can grab it and drag it to a new position on your slide. If you need to make it bigger or smaller, click and drag any of the corner handles. This is standard resizing, the same stuff you do with any other element in Gamma AI. And if you realize you made a mistake or you want to start over with the cropping, don't panic. Just right-click the image again, and you will see the same context menu. From there, you can choose Reset Image to go back to its original uncropped state and try again. And that is all there is to it. No fancy external tools, no complicated workarounds, just a simple right-click and a few drags, and you have a perfectly cropped image. Now you can make your presentations look exactly the way you want them to, all from directly inside Gamma AI. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy creating!